Are you a woman in business? My name is Jolie. I am a nanny and family matchmaker with Creating Connections. I am the founder, and I have the privilege of speaking on a panel at the Women's Business Network at the Beverly Hills Chamber of Commerce next week, July 21st at 5 p.m. So if you are a woman in business, or a man who loves supporting women in business, we would love for you to join us, both me and the other ladies that have the privilege of speaking at this event, to support us and also to meet wonderful women who have companies that can support you as well. So please reach out to me and I can set you up with a ticket. Thanks so much.